For majors, it's usually rare to see a strong, ongoing trend more than once or twice a year. Many exotics are different in that trends often continue and change several times a year. Pairs such as dollar peso, pound rand, euro lira and others move in relatively strong and clear trends most of the time. Ranging or sideways movement is the exception rather than the rule. This can make exotics more suitable for swing traders than majors tend to be, and it can also help experienced traders who choose good entries and exits to maximize positive results. On the other hand, the potential loss from each order for an exotic is, on average, significantly higher than for a major pair. The average daily movement of an exotic pair is significantly higher than that of a major. For some currencies like the lira, movements of more than 5% in a day are recorded occasionally, which is closer to the daily range of a cryptocurrency than a major or minor. Higher volatility increases both potential gains and potential losses. This is why it's generally not recommended to focus on exotics unless you're an experienced trader. On the other hand, higher short-term volatility can offer advantages to scalpers and day traders. It can mean that the profits from small positions in exotics exceed those from much larger positions in majors because daily movements are much higher on average. Although volatility is high, generally exotic pairs have lower liquidity compared to majors. Around some announcements, there can be significant slippage. For example, the gap in May 2019 for the pound sterling against the Kiwi dollar. The Fragile Five is a term coined by analysts for countries vulnerable to outflows of capital. Which five varies, but the list almost always includes South Africa and Turkey. It also usually includes Mexico. Because of these currencies' relationships with outflows of capital and, in many cases, commodities, exotics tend to develop trends much more quickly than majors. Changes in sentiment can happen suddenly, leading to large shifts on charts. Many traders of exotics consider it essential to keep their fingers on the pulse of news and events affecting sentiment.